To enable or disable Wi-Fi scanning location in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find location, and then tap location. You must turn on location first to enable Wi-Fi scanning location. Switch until on, and then select improve accuracy. To enable Wi-Fi scanning, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. Let apps use Wi-Fi for the accurate location detection even when Wi-Fi is off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.